So for a data engineer, right, Pooja, like with your kind of experience, what do you think is the average range bucket for like salary? How much can one expect in the field?
Um, it would vary from company to company, and it would also depend on your negotiation skills as well.
Right.
So, I have around 3 years of experience. So, you can start somewhere from 7 LPA basics for
Mm-hmm.
data engineer.
Mm-hmm.
And in some companies, it could go up to 30 LPA as well. So, 7 to
Right.
30 LPA is the range where you can expect for a data engineer of 3+ years of experience.
Got it. Understood. Understood. So, for all the people like who are currently in their college, like maybe in their final year and are looking to like find jobs outside and stuff. So, for them, like, what would you suggest? Like, what are some skills that are like very, very important and they focus on them to like crack interviews or even like get a opportunity to interview? So, what advice do you have to give?
I think it would be good to do a hands-on project on the technology that they want to move in. Like if they want to be a full stack developer, they can do a project involving all the newest technologies of the front end and back end.
Mm-hmm.
And if they want to be a data engineer, they can do a data engineering project, or a data scientist, a data science project,
Mm-hmm.
which involves machine learning and things.
Mm-hmm.
And so, good project is must. And when you do a project, you would acquire skills. So
Mm-hmm.
that skills you can mention on the resume. And I think for a fresher, they wouldn't expect much of a skill. They
Mm-hmm.
uh, just see how they communicate well, and they see what kind of a learner they are. They should be quick learner, and they must be very adaptive
Right.
to whatever the work they give, and to the environment.
Mm-hmm.
So based on all of these things, fresher would get a good job or
Okay.
an opportunity.
Got it. Understood. So you did mention about like ATS template or resume in an ATS template, right? So I think what you meant was right now currently people are expecting resumes to be in the ATS format because instead of sitting and manually screening the resume, now they are using AI to like screen the resume and shortlist, right? So how
Yes.
important is it to like use an ATS template for a resume?
It is definitely vital to use an ATS formatted template,
Mm-hmm.
and it's ATS is nothing but there would be few skill sets that they would be looking for,
Mm-hmm.
and if those skills are there in your resume,
Mm-hmm.
it particularly looks for that word, the technology or the skill set.
Mm-hmm.
So if that matches with your resume, you would get points based on that. So
Mm-hmm.
based on the percentage of words that are present compared to the ATS, the score is made out. So that's the reason you have to go through the job description and make your profile accordingly before applying.
Okay, understood, understood. I think we've covered everything for now, right? So
Yes.
at the end, like, do you have any kind of advice that you want to give to the viewers, who maybe like are experienced people with 3 years, 2 years of experience who are like looking for a change, or it might be freshers who are, trying to find a job. Like, what is one advice that you want to give them?
Yeah, for experienced people who want to change, there would be various reasons.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they're not finding the right opportunity they deserve for their skill set, or it could be salary related issues, or any other thing.
Right.
So maybe they don't fit into the culture or things.
Mm-hmm.
You have to find out the right reason why you have want to change,
Mm-hmm.
and secondly, you have to prepare yourself
Mm-hmm.
for whatever the job you're searching for.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe in the first shot itself, you won't get the job.
Right.
So you would be rejected couple of times. So in all of these rejections, you would have faced interviews or tests. So that would be helpful for you to move to the next company's interviews. So if you fail in one interview, there would be questions asked there. So
Right.
you can make a note of all those questions and you can prepare yourself for the next question.
Right.
This advice would also go for the freshers as well, because you attend an interview at some point of time, and when you attend the interview for the same role after maybe 6 months or 7 months, the questions would have been totally to the advanced level, even
Right.
the basic first round of interview.
Correct.
So if you attend an interview, you would get to know what level of questions you would understand. I mean, would be asked. So first, you have to make an attempt to break your ice and apply to the companies with whatever skills you know and attend the tests or interviews. So there you would get to know what you're lagging behind. And once you work on these things and move forward, so once you're able to answer any type of questions, then you would get in one or the other companies you apply for, and keep applying for your dream companies and you would get it someday.